She's got one foot in.
She's already been face first in there, Jim. Take the other shoe off and let her go.
Taylor.
She's already soaked.
Taylor.
I gotta get a picture of it.
No, she's got one shoe on and one shoe in the mud.
Oh, take it off before it gets all dirty in there.
Those are Addison's shoes.
Let her knock that thing over.
Yeah, watch that statue.
What are you doing?
Smile, Grandma.
She
Smile,
don't
Grandma.
have any other clothes on.
Oh no.
Oh, she looks proud of herself. Now you can't come this way.
Yeah,
There's
there's
thorns on.
Oh, the bougainvillea is thorny.
Happy birthday to you.
Cody's gonna get mad that you're in his tub.
Where?
All right, come on. We got to get out of there.
We gotta get out and dry out the shoes.
Ooh, you just got Grandma's shoes all wet.
No, don't go in the mud. Don't go in the mud.
You know she's going to go right back in.
Monica, control
She
your
likes
water.
water.
She's just like her mother.
I got some
Taylor.
pictures.
Taylor.
Much of this one is her face coming back up out of the drink. She's got
Hi,
water.
what are you doing in there?
She's really going down trying to play bubbles.
Come
Why
on,
don't you
you.
put your camera up and take care of it?
All right, come on.
Look at that face, right?
Come
Coming to
on.
joy.
Yeah.
Oh, no, sitting down. Oh. Mom.
She needs a new diaper anyway. Look at that face.
Mom.
Come on, Michael. Let's do it.
I gotta get a towel.
Get the pressure cleaner.
She's taking the shoes off.
Come on. Where's Grandpa? Did you show Grandpa?
No, Taylor. No, don't keep getting in there.
Where's Grandpa at?
I think he went to the bathroom.
Do you see what she's doing, Kim? Watch her. Oh my goodness. What are you doing, girl? Playing in the water.
You might drink it. I think he said there's a chemical or something in there.
Yeah, you did, because Cody was doing it this morning.
Oh. She's not drinking it. She just splashed.
Oh,
What are you doing? What? Oh yeah. What are you doing, child?
Trying to go back in, Grandma.
Oh my gosh. Watch the thorns in it. Come on, you. She's trying to get back in there. She's
You're all
just
muddy.
standing in
Put
there.
all the mud in there.
Come on, get her out. Happy birthday, your birthday. Ooh, it's all muddy. Think you're gonna get sick from that water? Come here.
Get a
Spray
hose
off
off
that
her.
foot.
You want to see a 2-year-old temper tantrum? It's about to happen.
No.
Don't want to drink the water.
Come here.
No.
Not that mud. No, you need to clean these shoes off and let them start drying.
Mom, there you go.
Monica, you still gotta do the other side. Here, why don't I do that?
Hand it to her.
Don't get my shoes off.
California orchid, Mom.
What? Jeez.
No. No.
Let's take her back there.
No.
I can pull for her. I can pull. Nice and in her legs. Well, she did that in the house. She stuck her foot right in the dog's bowl of water. She's an Aquarius. Yep. She's a water baby. You get a little pool. She's a water baby.
Well, she's got a pool at home.
Yeah, that's not the same as a little wading